Guys, so here are all the ingredients, okay? You're gonna need your red pepper. I got 2 types of green peppers. I have parsley. I'm gonna use some garlic, some onions, and I have all my spices, and I'll show you as we go, okay, for the spices. Okay, I'm gonna need some heavy cream. I'm gonna need some Philadelphia cheese and some butter, maybe. And I'm gonna need some salmon fish, okay? And then I have some shrimp also, you guys, and the pasta that we're using, okay? So this is all the ingredients that we're gonna use today, okay? And also, you guys, you're gonna need your mozzarella cheese also. Hold on, let me show you the 2 types of cheeses that I'm gonna use, okay? Hold on. Okay, guys, and the cheese that I'm gonna use is some mozzarella cheese, shredded cheese, okay? And then I'm also gonna use some Parmesan cheese, the grated Parmesan cheese, okay? So these are the 2 types of cheese that I'm gonna use. And I'm also gonna use some Philadelphia cream cheese, okay? Ooh, it's gonna be so delicious. And I'm gonna try to squeeze 4 for each row, okay? Okay, guys, look, I'm all done. Look at that. Don't that look delicious? Don't it look delicious? I'm all done. Oh, this is heavy too, you guys. They're really stuffed. I put a lot of filling in there. You see that? Delicious. You like it? So now what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna add a little bit more sauce on top, okay? All right, so I'm gonna add some sauce, and I don't want to cover them too much because I want to be able to see what I'm working with here. Okay, maybe I should have used a smaller spoon. Okay, so I'm just putting the sauce on all of them. And you can say the sauce so when you serve it, that when they're eating, they can just add extra sauce if they want extra sauce. So I have a lot of sauce, so I have some sauce left to serve it with. Okay, look at that. Don't that look delicious, you guys? Voila, look at that. Don't that look delicious, you guys? And there you have it. Seafood pasta shells. There you have it. And there you have it. Just being silly.